Hey y'all, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video. For today, we have a mukbang, however you say it. Today we have Chick-fil-A. And I just got the spicy deluxe with a pepper jack. That's what I always get. And some fries.
I got some nuggets and some fries with a water.
We're just gonna be eating because we're hungry.
I can open this freaking sauce.
Oh yeah. We also got some Chick-fil-A sauce. It's $3, so I hope it's good.
Why do you smell it?
It smells like
Chick-fil-A sauce. Okay, so in this mukbang, whatever you call it, we're gonna talk about when we met.
Why the chicken look like that?
Eat the chicken. So, you want to tell it or not?
I'm trying to remember. Do you know? Child.
Okay, so we met through our mutual friends, Skylar and Bethany. That's how we met. I think we just became friends. I don't know. I guess it's like one of them friendships to where you hang out with people and then you just start to get close to like the people you hanging out with. I think that's what happened. Shoot, I don't know.
To be honest, I don't like. I just know we met, and we became friends. We were close since then, so for about 6 or 7 years now.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
That's not much.
Your video on the short.
But this Chick-fil-A sauce, we rate it. The one in the bottle.
A 10. It tastes the same.
Ooh.
It tastes the same.
I feel like it tastes different.
We always get this.
But how y'all been? My little 45 subscribers.
Not 45. Not 45.
45. Oh, to drink, I got a strawberry slushy from Sonic. Cause yeah, I'm full.
You ain't nothing. You had like a bite.
It was 2 bites.
Oh, 2 bites. Yeah, 2 bites.
I had to correct you.
Oh, we should tell a story. how I went hiking. Oh, we got a lot of hiking stories. Okay, y'all. So since this video gonna be a little. Okay, so one time we went hiking.
We saw a snake bush.
We saw a snake, and I don't do snakes. And where we hiked at, the way to get over the creek, if you have to jump, y'all. When I saw that snake,
That day, it just got done raining. So there was water everywhere. There was mud everywhere. And we didn't have no type of clothes to be in the woods. We looked like we just came out the mall, literally.
That was you. That was you.
She had her Michael Kors bag.
No, I didn't.
And her Gucci belt, her Gucci glasses.
No. Okay, so.
Didn't you have on your boots too? The ones that sparkle.
I don't have no sparkle boots. I got polo boots. I don't have sparkle boots.
The ones you wore to the concert. To the Aretha Franklin concert. You don't remember when we went to the Aretha Franklin concert?
Boy, Aretha Franklin ain't had no concert in heaven. Cause she did.
It was before. You don't remember?
But y'all, okay, so we saw a snake. Yeah, one time, and then we went hiking again. Or was it the same time I fell down the hill?
No, it was the same day.
Y'all, the same.
No, I thought they put the whole garden in my. Come on, Chick-fil-A. Get it together.
Yeah, so the same day we saw that snake.
My sandwich dry.
Like my phone. So y'all, the same day we saw that snake, I fell down the hill. Well, I slid down the hill. Why are you examining the sandwich?
I don't think they cooked it right.
Why?
It looked pink.
I don't see no pink. I see sauce.
What's that? Ain't that the marinade? The marinade?
Yes.
It's not supposed to.
I ate the sandwich.
Y'all, if I die in this video, y'all know why.
Better take some Imodium.
I know y'all see that. Okay.
But yeah. So what happened was,
My knee.
the friends that we aren't friends with anymore, we were going to the hill, and I was like, here, hold my hand so I won't fall. Yeah, she let go of my hand, and I went down the hill like this. I did. I said, and I was just sliding down the hill. So imagine me laying on my side, going like this, sliding down the hill.
She was going down.
I was like, I'm gonna just go. I ain't finna catch on to them.
But
I'm gonna just go.
that was the same day. Oh,
Then we saw a snake.
that wasn't camera that said spicy. You know, it's never this spicy. It tastes like the one from Popeyes. But
That one we had the last time.
that was on fire. But what else happened that day? I almost fell off a cliff.
Yeah, because you was drunk. Don't drink and hike from his experience, because
there's this cliff.
It's a big waterfall.
It's a waterfall, and it's really, really big. The cliff is like up to here, and the bottom is like all the way down here. Can't see my hair, but okay.
And I was like, I think I showed up the video.
I was wearing boots.
Mm-mm.
I was.
You was wearing tennis shoes.
Oh, yeah. And I lost my bandana.
That bandana went floating down that wall.
I never seen it again.
You weren't gonna see it. It's gone.
Probably fish food now. There ain't no fish in there. Is there? No. Snake or tadpoles or what's it called.
But yeah, every time we go somewhere,
Something gotta happen.
happens.
Something gotta happen. Every day, everywhere we go, something gotta happen. Either one of us gets sick, one of us is in a bad mood. One of us has our bougie moment.
I'm not bougie. I am far from bougie.
And one of us is always has to be dramatic.
Me and Skylar, our other friend, did answer the phone, and he said, "Not that my two best friends didn't answer the phone. I could have been dead."
You not say that.
Yep. Let me find
I was gonna pull out the receipts.
Let me find the messages.
Before she does that, I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna tell y'all that I did say that. So put your phone up.
So therefore,
It's true. But
and then when we went to the Zero concert, he got lost.
that story is on her
scavenger
channel.
hunt.
The story is up on her channel.
The link will be down below to watch that video.
But that night it was a movie. We didn't get home till 4 o'clock in the morning. This thing is salty, the house. Okay. We didn't get home till 4 o'clock in the morning. We was at Denny's waiting for our food for an hour.
You kept ordering food.
I think that's why.
So we didn't have to wait.
But it wasn't my fault. But anyways.
But the service was slow anyway.
We stored up the tip, didn't we? I think we ended up leaving like $15. But I'm full.
You say you full, but you still eating.
This is expensive. Yeah, I don't think they'll cook this right.
I don't ever get the chicken sandwiches. Oh, I thought I spilled my water.
I think it's a lot. I can taste the arteries.
Not the arteries. My knee hurt.
This video's all over the place.
We all over the place.
We wasn't prepared for this.
I had a rough morning, so I'm not prepared for anything.
I don't think you want to talk about that right now, do you?
Huh?
I don't think you want to talk about your rough morning.
No.
Anyways. Child, don't have kids. That's my advice to you.
No. If you have kids, make sure you are stable to have kids.
Make sure they have enough food, clothes, and that they're
Home trained. Make sure that when they come to other people's house, they have respect for other people's house. And learn to listen to other people.
Because child, who man taking your phone?
This is my email. Don't do that. I don't do that. I ain't no homewrecker.
Me either. But I knew you was gonna laugh. That's why I stared at you.
I'm still hungry.
Hmm?
I'm still hungry.
Want some lettuce?
Oh, yeah, lettuce.
Then you ain't hungry.
I might might be a buck tooth, but I ain't no rabbit.
I didn't call you rabbit.
Rabbit eat lettuce. That's rabbit food.
You said rabbit eat lettuce. You forgot the S.
Rabbit eats.
No, rabbits eat lettuce.
Rabbits eat.
Cause you said rabbit eat lettuce. This way you can't have nice things. Let's talk about the birds and the bees. So when a man and a woman really, really love each other, come on, they're like, our subscribers are probably like 13, 14, so they want to know.
Maybe their parents should tell them about the birds and the bees.
When a man and a woman really, really love each other, they get together one night in bed.
I need some ice. Mother, next topic. Next caller. Don't.
When a man and a woman really... Why is he groaning? When a man... When a man... When a man and a woman really... When a man and a woman really, really love each other, the man produces his specimen, delivers his yeah.
Next caller. We should do like a little biography so people know who we are for information.
I'm Martin Luther King's son. My daddy died. He was a hero.
Okay, so I'm 22. I don't look 22, but I'm 22.
I'm 35. I don't look 35, but I'm 35.
I'm 22. I graduated from high school
In 2005.
in 2018. I graduated from college
In 1994.
in 2020 with a 3.0.
-3.
It was a 3.7. I graduated with 3.7 in Office Technology certification
At Office Depot.
at Trinity Valley.
I'm just kidding.
That's all the information.
I'm 22 years old. I graduated high school in 2018.
21.
Oh. I'm 21 years old. Graduated high school 2018. My GPA, I don't know, to be honest. I was going to college, but I dropped out because life, you know.
I was going to college for a second time for nursing, but I dropped out. But I will be going back eventually.
She told me she's going to work at the strip club. I support her. Me and my friends support her.
Do I look like I would get on a pole?
She loves to get on the pole. She has experience with that. Bleep, she's not a stripper. She's a normal human being sometimes. But you hear my knee pop?
I thought that was the ground. What's that?
I tell you, I have knee problems.
This video is that phone always ringing. It's just ringing.
Ain't that your phone?
Huh?
Ain't that your phone?
Huh?
Why is you mean mugging me?
Trying to figure out what you said.
Comment down below if y'all want us to do like a drinking video.
Oh, Ooh. Ooh.
If we do, we might do it tonight. You wanted to drink, remember?
Yeah, but not get drunk. Like sip.
We're just gonna do a drinking video, and we're gonna do a playlist video.
Oh yeah, we can do that one
as well tonight. Okay, tonight. What time is it? You know what that means? The fuck you want?
It mean track phone wireless.
I had to put that in there. But wait for that video tonight or later on tonight, because we might go to the liquor store. Who knows? Or the
You
gas
ask
station.
mama.
Or the gas station.
You ask mama.
You know she said we can drive the car?
She got the wrong one.
You can drive it, because I'm not driving it.
I'm not driving it.
God damn it. Oh, Lord Jesus. Does anybody want a friend? I'll ship her off for free. Free shipping. But, you know, handling. But,
Was it your stomach? Your stomach growling?
yeah.
You just ate.
You know, I don't mean that. Bye. Bye, y'all.